Go to My Cart and click on the Checkout button to complete your purchase. Click here to change your delivery address and select from your address book. Click here to add a new address if it's not already listed. Once your delivery address is selected, click Calculate Delivery. Select your preferred delivery method here, and you can make final changes to your orders here before you complete your checkout. myKomatsu Online Premium account holders have two payment options to choose from. You can pay via credit card or by charging your Komatsu account. To charge your Komatsu account, you must tick here to confirm authorization and enter a purchase order number here. Then click here to check out. Alternatively, you can enter your credit card details and click Pay Now. Once payment is complete, you will receive an email with your order details. Delivery can be tracked once your shipment is ready to leave the warehouse. Please note that if your order contains multiple items, some items may be shipped separately. You will be able to track each individual item from one page. Additionally, for more details, you can click here to view shipment details on the freight carrier site.